What it do, guys? Your boy Don. We back with another video, man. Hold up. The camera lens just a little scratchy. It's a little scratchy. But man, we back with another video, man. We keeping the videos coming. But in this video, we doing brakes on the daily. We doing brakes on the daily today. I'm gonna do brake pads. I should do rotors too, just because. Well, we're gonna see after this. But you know, when you're braking, they was kind of like pulsating. And the rotors do got like heat spots on them, so I really should replace the rotors as well. But we're going to just run it with the brake pads, man. But you know, it is what it is. It's a daily. It's an old '93 Honda. Nice ass car for a '93. But you know, we got the new brake pads in here. These are the old brake pads because I had to, for some reason, I had to go show them the old brake pads. But we got the new brake pads, Duralast brake pads, $35 brake pads. You know, it is what it is. But you know, better than nothing. So. And then yeah, man, like look at these brake pads, y'all. Like these things are squealing, and I've been driving this car like this for like the past month now. Or like the first couple weeks, or actually really the first month I was driving it, it wasn't making noise. But just like about a week ago or so, they started making noise, y'all. So this is how it looks if it focus. Like, look at that. Barely no brake pad left on that pad. This is the one that was making noise because this one got the shim. Sorry, y'all. This one got the shim right there. So this one was squealing. And you see, I had to bend it so it wouldn't squeal, because that shit was embarrassing, y'all. But look at this brake pad. Yeah. But nevertheless, we got new brake pads. We're about to throw on. We're gonna start with the driver's side, of course, and then I gotta move the car so we can get to the passenger side. So yeah, man. Let's get it. Okay, y'all, back with it really quickly, y'all. I'm seeing. Hopefully this tool, I don't even think this joint gonna fit in there, just because the pistons pushed out a little too far. So I gotta figure out how to get that back a little bit. I got a C-clamp. I can probably push it back a little bit, and just enough so I can get this in there. And then my other like single brake caliper tool is at work. But we already we greased the shims up. Already brushed them with the wire brush. Got the grease up top and bottom. Right? Okay. Let me just sit y'all down, you feel me? Sit y'all down right chill with your boy. You feel me? Yeah. Chill. Yeah, gang. Got y'all set up nicely now. Yeah. I don't know if I can remember. I think, which is weird. Simple. It's just a simple brake pad slap, y'all. You feel me? Nothing too crazy. Yeah. Simple brake pad swap. Yeah, look at that. Simple. And they fit. Because they was telling me, we called before, and there was two different pads, like Akibono and then these, and luckily these was the ones that we needed, not the Akibono ones. So yeah, so now I'm gonna get the C-clamp, and I'm gonna try to push this piston back a little bit, just enough so I can get this tool in there. You know, like I said, once again, y'all, if you're doing brakes, this is the best tool. I believe that's the part number right there, Matco. You don't gotta get a Matco one. You can get, I'm sure like Craftsman makes like one of these and stuff. And obviously Snap-on. But I got a Matco because 90% of my tools are Matco. So yeah. But I'm gonna be right back with y'all, gang. Let me see if I can get the C-clamp to like push the piston back a little bit so I can get the other tool in there. And I'll be right back with y'all in a quick second. Alright, y'all. Back with it. This caliper, this piston is actually pulling back pretty easy. I feel like I don't even need that brake tool, because then it's just going back in there so easily. But I'm still gonna use it. Hey, hi, thank you. Toast. Can you push that down for me, please? Thank you. And we got some nice refreshment, man. Nice refreshment. Woo! Yes, sir. Look at that. Okay. Now, y'all. Now I believe we can get this in here now. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm so surprised, y'all, only because it's a 1993. That thing is going in there so easily. It's just crazy. Like compared to the Sequoia.
Or anybody's car.
Or anybody's car for real. Like that joint went back in there so easily. And then let me actually, while I have this out, let me grease this bolt up. Grease that sliding pin. Always grease the sliding pin. Always grease your sliding pins, you know? Always.
Tell me that every time I do a breakdown.
Always grease them up.
Mateo, what's it on? Bye.
And by the way, guys, the size for the pins, size 17. So I'll be using a nice 17 millimeter gear wrench. You know, ratchet wrench. So the caliper bolts are 17. Yeah.
Sit. Down. No.
Yep. Pretty tight. Okay. Cheetah. Pretty easy, y'all. Simple, man. I love simple. I love easy. Now, let's put this wheel back on. We're gonna put this wheel back on. We're going to reposition our car so we can get to the passenger side. So let's get it. Yo, I ain't even gonna tell y'all what the hell she just tried to do right now. I'm gonna save her the embarrassment. I'm not gonna tell y'all what she tried to do just now.
You got it?
Yeah, go ahead, move the car. I'm gonna save her the embarrassment, y'all. I'm not gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna keep that off camera. Oh man, that should be good. Yeah. Oh man, yeah. So I'm not gonna tell y'all. I'm not gonna tell y'all what she just tried to do. But just know she tried to move the car, and I'm gonna just leave it at that. I'm gonna just leave it at she tried to move the car. I'm just gonna leave it at that. I guess y'all can take that for how you want it and figure it out and let me know. Drop in the comments what y'all think off of that. Based off of what I said, drop in the comments what y'all think she tried to do. Or what happened. But yeah, now we got the car in a better position, so now we can get to the passenger side and do the brakes. So let's get it right now. Alright, y'all, back with it. Y'all seen the other side? Y'all know I usually don't show one side and then show the other side, but since it's such an easy job, man, I guess why not. See, now this side is not bad at all. It's that driver's side that was bad, y'all. But hey, we slapping new pads on here anyway. Oh, yeah.
That pad don't look too bad.
Yeah, this side ain't bad at all. But
Have to change it.
new pads anyway. Yeah, gang. So look at that. Yeah, these ain't bad compared to the driver's side. Y'all seen how the driver's side one look. But like I said, y'all, I think these pads are from like 1993. I could be wrong though. They might have been changed once in their lifetime, but these joints cracking off right here. Smack down the middle of the brake pad. I can see it. Camera a little blurry. Smack down the middle. And this one too, kinda everywhere, all over the place actually. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these shims off. All right, y'all. Got everything all wrapped up on this side, man. We about to put the wheel back on. One unfortunate thing is, I broke a wheel stud off in there. It was really tough to really come off. But if you know, these things ain't hard to replace. So it's whatever. I'll eventually get one. But 3 out of 4 still ain't bad. 75% ain't bad. I'll take that. But yeah, man, let's put this wheel back on. Alright, y'all, tighten up to me, man. You feel me? Now, car's back on the ground. We got some fresh brake pads on here. Eventually, I'll do the rotors. Eventually, I'm gonna see how these ride with just the brake pads for now. But that's about it, y'all. I ain't gonna bore y'all with a test drive, and I can't test drive anyway, because we got cars blocking right there. But I'm gonna get my true test drive tomorrow when I go to work. But yeah, man, since 1993, y'all already know 93. This is what 1993 looks like. This car is only a year older than me. Crazy. This is good old 1993 right here, man. Nice car, man. Good car right here. Good car. Clean car for what it is. But yeah, guys, honestly, that's just about going to wrap up the video. I'm going to clean up the rest of my tools over there. I'm going to finish drinking my beer right there. And we got some crabs, man. We got some crabs to eat, so I'm gonna go enjoy some crabs and beer. Beer and crabs on this nice Sunday. And it's not too hot today, so it's like perfect to do a brake job or whatever, working on cars. And it's a nice, beautiful day to eat crabs. So, yeah, man. It's your boy Don signing out, man. See y'all in the next video. What we gonna do next video, I don't know, man. But I tell y'all what, Bike Fest is next Sunday, so I don't know. We're gonna see what we're gonna do.
We're gonna be there.
We're gonna see what we're gonna do. Y'all at the Bike Fest at the racetrack. I told y'all we're gonna go to the racetrack. So that's what we might do. That's what we might do next Sunday or Saturday. Who knows? Because I think it's the whole week. I think it's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we're gonna pick one of the days to go, and we're gonna go, man. So if anything, I guess I'll see y'all next video. See y'all back fest. Peace.
Bye.
Actually, back with it just for a quick second, man. Before I end the video out again. If y'all like this video, man, make sure y'all give it a blue thumbs up. If this video helped you on something, as far as doing a brake job on a Accord this year, a 90s Accord. Or a Civic, same. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. All these cars in the 90s practically were made the same kind of, at least Hondas, as far as whether it's Accord or Civic, Prelude, Integra, pretty much all the same, theoretically the same way, same order, things like that. But if this video helped you in any kind of way, please give this video a blue thumbs up. Make sure you press that red subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification, turn on all notifications, man, because these videos, I'm trying to drop these videos out faster and faster, man. Some of these videos probably ain't gonna be videos people want to see, but I'm gonna drop them anyway, just for me, for my sake, for the channel's sake. But yeah, man. Once again, press that like button, subscribe to the channel, drop some comments, man. Drop some comments in the videos, y'all. I want to interact with y'all. But without further ado, man, this is Don signing out again. See y'all in the next video. Peace.